In this video, I will tell you how I have created the our courses page. So this is how the website looks. So initially it will be on the home page. And then when I click on our courses button in the nav bar, it will take me to the our courses page where the heading is courses provided by us. So let's see how I have created this page. It is a very basic page and the code is also very simple. So the reason why it goes to the our courses page when I click on the our courses button is because of the smooth scroll file, the JS file that I have linked to the HTML file. So this is the services section or the courses section. So as you can see, the code is also very small. So first I have created a section and inside that section I have created one ID whose value is services. So inside the navigation bar for the our courses button, I have written this ID. I have given the path of the services section inside the href tag, inside the href attribute. So that is why it will scroll to the services page when I click on the courses button. Then on the next line, I have created a division, a div, and I have written the class container inside it. Then there's a heading which says courses provided by us, and there are two classes inside this heading, title and text center. So the title class will style or it will show this particular text as a title, and text, because of the text center class, you can see that the title will appear in the center. Then there's an ordered list, and inside the ordered list there are six list items. So these are the list items. So on the website you can see that there's an ordered list and then there are 6 list items inside that list. And this is how I have styled my services section. Again, styling is also very simple. I have only styled the list items, and I have made the font a little larger, and I have also increased font weight than its default size and weight. So for font size I have given the value large, and for font weight I have given value 400. That is why the text will appear a little bigger and wider on the screen. So that's it about the our courses page. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.